age, we got very involved in politics. We were activists on the ground. My father, I remember him also having a long talk with me saying, I will not allow you to go into exile. I don't know where it came from. This family has already sacrificed so much, you need to be here. So because of his fears and so on, we then joined the underground movement.
UZindzi nobenguthumbu ezinganeni zezingqalabutho zomzabalazo uWinnie Mandela kanye noNelson Mandela ubaziwa njengomuntu obengasabi ukuyikhulumela. Ubesasikhumbula kahle isihluku sangesikhathi sobandlululo nalapho kwaboshwa kwaphinde kwadingiswa abazali bakhe bobabili kuphinde kwahlonishwa nomsebenzi wakhe njengenxusa.
I was intrigued with some of the work that she'd been doing in Denmark. She was very impressed with innovation, which is a hallmark of the Danish government, certainly at local government level, but even at other levels of government. What they've done with respect to clean energy, quality water resources is really impressive. And she wanted us to be aware of those developments and to draw on them, given our good relationship with Denmark.
Kepha ukungesabi ukuyikhulumela nokuba isishoshovu kukaMandela kwafaka umsebenzi wakhe engcupheni ngonyaka odlule kulandela ukuphawula kwakhe enkundleni yezokuxhumana iTwitter.
She was robust. She always indicated, listen, I have these views. I'm not afraid to express them. I said, no, it's fine, but you are a diplomat, and ensure that you continue to hold that up.
Njengoba iNingizimu Afrika isazilele ukushona kwakhe, amalungu omndeni aseqale ukutheleka emzini wakwaMandela eSoweto. uZindzi ubesezothunyelwa kwelaseLiberia ayoba yinxusa lakuleli khona.
Amaqembu ezombusazwe edlulise amazwi enduduzo emndenini wakwaMandela ngokushona kukaZindzi.
Many would remember her for the infamous letter that came from President Mandela at the time, giving directives to the people of this country, especially members of the ANC, on what the kind of tasks that they had to discharge.
We extend revolutionary condolences to the family, friends, South Africans, and all the people of the world. Mama Zindzi Mandela is undoubtedly one of the most iconic youth activists whose contribution to our liberation and the fall of apartheid is indisputable.
On behalf of His Majesty the King of the Zulu Nation, King Zwelithini Kapego Zulu, and on behalf of my family, on behalf of the IFP, I send sincere condolences to the Mandela family, and particularly to her children. It is difficult to believe that someone so full of life and energy is no longer with us.
Like her mom, she was not afraid to speak her mind out. Indeed, she joined the rest of the people of this country in fighting for the freedom of all South Africans.
At a very young age, Zindzi was forced to become a political activist. We will never forget when she was reading a letter from her father